Hello there. If you're enjoying these broadcasts on YouTube, then don't forget to hit subscribe and you'll never miss a Met Office forecast. As for today's weather, well, for many it's a fine autumn day. Largely clear skies to start with across England and Wales, but notice quite a lot of clouds spilling in from the west. Certainly quite grey this afternoon for much of Northern Ireland. We've already seen some heavy rain for western Scotland, perhaps easing for a time around lunchtime, but then more rain pushing back in here and through the central belt as the day goes on. Bit of patchy rain for northwest England and North Wales, but much of the south and many eastern areas staying dry and bright. Some cloud coming and going, but in the sunny spells, look at the temperatures, 18, 19, possibly close to 20 Celsius here. A little cooler further north, 14 to 16. And it's still quite breezy, not quite as windy as yesterday, but still some lively gusts, particularly in the far north, where we'll continue to see some showers coming in through the day, and the rain probably turning more persistent across Scotland overnight. Another band of rain also spreading in across Northern Ireland. A few scattered showers for England and Wales tonight, but many places drier. A milder night than last night as well, with temperatures mostly holding up in double digits, although it will turn a little cooler in northern Scotland as skies start to clear here. Could be quite a wet start though, first thing, for southern Scotland, parts of northern England. That rain quickly scooting away from Northern Ireland, but some heavy bursts of rain are likely as this band of wet weather sinks southwards. Some lively gusty winds as well with that. Not raining for too long, but a short spell of intense rain and gusty winds thanks to this weather front. Ahead of that, there'll be the odd shower, but many places dry and bright. Behind it, lots of heavy showers zipping in on a fairly stiff wind once more. But skies should also brighten. We'll see some afternoon sunshine coming through. But that line of rain is a weather front marking the boundary between some warmish air ahead of it, where we could still get to 18 or 19. Cooler conditions following on, where actually temperatures are likely to drop through the afternoon. 13, 14 will be fairly typical. That weather front will continue to march its way across East Anglia and the southeast, so some heavy bursts of rain, the M25, the M11, the M2 during Friday evening's rush hour before it does tend to scoot away, and then we're left with clearing skies. Still some showers coming into the north and the west. There's that weather front disappearing as we go into the weekend, and look at this. A large area of high pressure is edging its way in. That'll bring most places a fine day on Saturday before edging away and allowing these weather fronts and the isobars to pinch together to mean more wet and windy weather comes into the northwest during the course of Sunday. So as I said, many places set fair on Saturday, dry and bright weather. A little bit chilly first thing, and much of England and Wales will stay that way into Sunday, but some rain will push into parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. We've got a full weekend forecast on YouTube by Thursday afternoon. That'll also be on Facebook as well, so make sure you're following us right across social media.